struggling this morning. You know what? We're actually gonna do a little warm up here. I'm feeling a little under the weather today. Actually have been for like a week now. Sounds like I smoke a bag of cigarettes a day. No, that was a fake cough. Been hacking up that green shit though. Just gonna power through, get that shit out of my system, out of my lungs. It's just not gonna be enough. Alright, well, been back for almost 2 weeks now. The tour's over. It's been pretty chill though. We've been just kind of riding around in the desert a little bit. Did a little bit of ramps the other day. Yesterday went out and rode some turn track, some nice ruts. That was sick. And today we're gonna go rip out with some of the local Junction boys. 25 road. We're gonna hit some jumps. It's gonna be sick. Look at that beauty. All right, we're ripping out. Got the steed in the back. It's gonna be a good day. We gotta stop for gas though, and I have no money, so fuck. We have arrived. I think those are the boys right there. They ain't even got no gear on.
You lying. Alright, well we'll be out there soon.
On that thing.
I told him I probably wasn't hitting the ramp. He's like, you're a fucking bitch.
You wanna ride? Yeah?
Yeah.
You got it.
I wanna try it. Well, I'll meet you over there.
Over at the jumps?
Yeah. I'll go
Okay.
over
So what's up, dog?
How you doing, dude?
Good, how about you?
Good.
Hell yeah, dude. We got a good crew today, some senders.
Yeah?
I think we're probably just gonna fuck around with some jumps and maybe that, have you hit that one over there, the old transfer?
The one like, wait, right there?
Yeah, like right there.
Yeah, I've done that one.
Yeah, I don't know, we'll see what these guys wanna do.
Cool, dude.
I'm gonna just warm up on this thing. That stoppy bump, so clean.
It's perfect. I wish this jump was bigger.
Boy, can't see shit, dude.
No. I thought you were like more on me.
No, I was just getting dusted, dude. Where do you guys want to rip? Should we go to your jump, John?
Yeah, we can go back over there and hit those. The lifts are kind of shit, but make do.
I don't know where he goes off.
Right up high.
Oh, hell yeah. That's sick.
Looks fun.
Ozzy!
God damn.
Holy fuck! You guys are ripping! Yeah, it's,
I don't know how you're throwing those. They're so gnarly.
dude, that rut,
Yeah.
that second to last one I just did, I spun.
Really?
Like, I made that rut and just was like, oh, fuck.
That was so fun.
Dude, floaty.
Yeah. It's like that lip is like.
Dude, I don't know how you're cranking
Hell
it
yeah,
off of
bitch.
it. Hell yeah! Whoa! Hell yeah! Yo, dude, this thing is sick.
Dude, I like that.
You do?
Yeah. It kind of feels like that, to be honest.
They feel very similar.
Like I got on that and felt comfy like right away.
Yeah, same with this. This one feels like shorter, I think.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, but that thing rips.
It
with the
rips.
Stock suspension.
Everything's stock.
Fuck, dude.
Yeah. Same with that though. I really did like that. I was impressed.
Hell yeah, dude.
I was like, fuck. I